InfoComm 2026. We are back here with the terrific rAVe, and we are at INFiLED's booth today, and we are showcasing the series that is on the rental, staging, and live events product line. Goes in house of worship as well, and a lot of auditorium spaces. It can be hung, it can be floor stacked, but it's our Magic Cube series, our DB Deep Black series, and our Xmk3 series. The Xmk3 that you're seeing here is a flexible product at 500 millimeters that can go one panel at 500 millimeters can go 45 degrees, so two of these can go 90 degrees, and you can manually do that from the back with an easy clamp system. And then you can connect it to our Deep Black series, and why they call it the DB series is because it has a black package on there and draws that deep contrast and those colors out, so you see it really, really vibrantly. And then we move on to our Magic Cube series, which it's 90 degrees that we can do here, or we can make cubes out of it, and we've created these keys, so you're taking off the hardware and the tools, and we've color-coded it with a red on this one. That will always go R for right, and then we have a lime L for left, a tangerine T for top, and a blue for bottom. But it's as easy as literally just putting this right back on there, and then you can connect it and lock it, and it goes right on there. And I'm going to take you over to our big display that shows you how this all incorporates together. As you can see, we have our DB series with the Magic Cube at a 90 degree here, going into our Xmk3 curve, and also into our flat and then curves, so you can do a lot of different shapes and formulas with it. But if you'd like some more information, please come and visit www.infiled.com, and hope to see you at our booth. Have a happy 2026 InfoComm.